Okay, so this topic is about the internet. So what is the internet? It is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. And with the internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. Actually, during our times when I was in elementary and in high school, no, we don't have yet this privilege to use the internet. I started to use the internet during my I think grade 6, then high school, but it's not yet popular. Okay, but nowadays we are transitioning to the digital world, and we are now using the internet, and I think this is one of the essentials right now, especially right now. So you can do all this by connecting a computer to internet, which is also called going online, and which is now we are using it all in the whole world for communication purposes and for so many ways. And when someone says a computer is online, it's just another way of saying connected to the internet. So what is the web? So the World Wide Web, or the WWW, usually called the web for short, is a collection of different websites you can access through the internet. A website is made up of related text, images, and other resources. And websites can resemble other forms of media like newspapers, articles, or television programs, or they can be interactive in a way that's unique to computers. The purpose of the website can be almost anything: a news platform, an advertisement, an online library, a forum for sharing images, or an educational site. So how does the internet work? So it's important to realize that the internet is a global network of physical cables, which can include copper telephone wires, TV cables, and fiber optic cables. So even wireless connections like Wi-Fi and 3G or 4G or the mobile data rely on these physical cables to access the internet. When you visit the website, your computer sends a request over these wires to a server, and a server is where websites are stored, and it works a lot like computer's hard drive. And once the request arrives, the server retrieves the website and sends the correct data back to your computer. So what's amazing is that this all happens in just a few seconds. So what can we do during online? Okay, what can we do in the internet? So there's almost no limit to what you can do online, and the internet makes it possible to quickly find information, communicate with people around the world, manage your finances, shop from home, listen to the music, watch videos, and much many more. And let's take a look some of the ways of the internet is commonly used today. So first of that is the finding information online. So with billions of websites online today, there's a lot of information on the internet. Search engines make the information easier to find, and all you have to do is to type one or more keywords, and the search engine will look for a relevant website. So try to open your Google and try to search anything that you want, then you can search whatever you want. Okay, there are many different search engines you can use, but some of the most popular include the Google, the Yahoo, and the Bing. And we have that before the Internet Explorer, and but I think it's already gone. Okay. And we have also the email. So we can use email through using the internet. Short for electronic mail. And email is a way to send and receive messages across the internet. And almost everyone who uses the internet has their own email account, and usually called an email address. So this is because you'll need an email address to do just about anything online, from online banking to creating a Facebook account. And sample of that is Gmail and Yahoo Mail. And and of course our Bicol University email, right? So we have also the most popular, the social networking, and we use the social networking websites or another way to connect and share with your family and friends online. And rather than sharing with just few people over email, social networks make it easier to connect and share with many people at the same time. And Facebook is the world's largest social networking site with more than 1 billion users worldwide. Before we used the Friendsters, but this time wala na siya. And we also using the Instagram, Twitter. So sobrang dami pa na social networking. But the Facebook is the world's largest social networking site. And of course, chat and instant messaging. So we are now using the internet for chat and instant messaging, and this is very necessary, especially to our online classes. And chat and instant messaging, or IM, are short messages sent and read in real time, allowing you to converse more quickly and easily than email. They are generally used where both of all people are online, so your message can be read immediately. By comparison, emails won't be seen until recipients check their inbox. So this time, we are using Messenger, or we are using the WhatsApp, the Telegram, okay, the Viber. Okay, so that's the popular chat and instant messaging app. We have also the online media, and there are many sites that allow you to watch videos and listen to music. And for example, you can watch millions of videos on YouTube or listen in internet radio on Pandora. So other services like Netflix and Hulu allow you to watch movies and TV shows. And if you have set up streaming box, you can even watch them directly on your television instead of a computer screen. So what's your favorite movie in Netflix, or what's your favorite to watch in Netflix? So para malaman ko kung talagang nakikinig ka, you can chat and you can comment down below. Okay, so you need the internet for everyday tasks. Okay, so you can also use the internet to complete many everyday tasks and errands. So for example, you can manage your bank accounts, pay your bills, and shop for just about anything. So we have online banking right now, and the main advantage here is convenience. And rather than going to the place to place, you can do all these things tasks at more. So everything is easy because of the internet. So that's it for our discussion for the internet.